Once upon a time, on a tropical island, stood a warm, quiet volcano surrounded by palm trees and lava rocks. It uninterrupted in 100 years, so the animals used it like a giant playground. They slid on smooth lava rocks and watched little steam clouds puff from the top like a teapot. One of the fastest creatures there was a lava lizard with orange spots and speedy feet. He loved to race the wind, hopping from stone to stone in the glowing dusk. One evening, as fireflies began to glow, the lizard played with a chameleon, a bat, and a tortoise. Suddenly, they heard it. Achoo! A giant sneeze came from the volcano. A big puff of smoke flew into the sky, and glowing lava bubbles rolled down the side. The volcano sneezed, cried the chameleon. The lava's heading toward the coconut garden, shouted the bat. That was where the birds kept their nests and the animals stored their fruit. They had to act fast. The lizard dashed ahead and started digging a trench to guide the lava away. The chameleon changed color and climbed up to warn the birds. The bat flew in circles, flapping hard to cool the lava down with wind. The tortoise pushed coconuts one by one into the lava's path. The lava bubbles rolled closer and closer, but just in time they cooled into sparkly, harmless rocks. The coconut garden was safe. The animals all cheered and clapped their paws, wings, and feet. That night they sat together on warm stones under the stars. They sipped fruit juice and shared stories, laughing with relief. The lizard looked up at the volcano and said, "Bless you, mountain." The volcano gave a tiny poke like a quiet thank you. Even the biggest sneeze couldn't beat a team of good friends, each one helped in their own special way. Moral of the story: even big problems can be solved when friends work together. No one is too small to make a big difference, especially when hearts are big and friends are near. And so the volcano slept peacefully, watched by the bravest little team on the island. The lava lizard, the chameleon, the bat, and the tortoise. Together they made sure the mighty volcano stayed safe and full of laughter. Under the stars, by the fireflies, on the stones still warm from the day, that's where friendship lives.